Assalamualaikum. I'm here on stage of the English House Academy managed by Ganya Sayyid and Anushka Malik Tumkur. We are taking the interviews of our students. So let me speak to this madrasa boy. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Talha.
Muhammad Talha. Where is your house?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. Where in Bangalore?
Goripaya.
Goripaya. Okay. What's your father's name?
Abdul Samad.
What's your mother's name?
Kalimunisa.
Okay. So who is your favorite, father or mother?
Two also.
Two also. Okay. What is your favorite food?
Alfam.
Alfam. Okay. Then what is your favorite tourist place where you want to go?
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. So where you are studying?
Jamia Numania Sayyidina Nazban Malik School.
What is that? Jamia Sayyidina Anushka Malik Open School. Okay. So which stage you are studying? Qaida or Nazira?
Khalda.
Qaida. Okay. How many lessons you completed in Qaida?
19.
19 you completed. Okay. How many remaining? How many?
7.
7 balance. Okay. Inshallah. So who is your best friend?
Riyan.
Rihan. Okay. This Rihan. Okay. Be careful. Yes. Then what you had in the breakfast today?
Kushka.
Kushka. And what curry? Only kushka. Dal also. Okay. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Green. Who is your favorite Hazrat?
Hussein Hazrat.
Hussein Hazrat. Okay. So after your education, what you want to become, inshallah, in future?
Doctor.
Doctor and Hafiz Quran, inshallah. So your favorite sweet? Favorite?
Champagani.
Okay. What's your favorite chocolate?
Silk.
Okay. Favorite snacks?
Sandwich.
Okay. Fine. It was nice talking to you and all the best for your future.
Sandwich.